Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and the latest updates from the two-wheeled world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 750. With bigger displacement, refined engineering, and modern tech, this new Himalayan aims to redefine mid-range ADV touring, engine, and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Himalayan is a brand new 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, a significant leap from the older 411 and 450 variants. This power plant delivers around 60 horsepower and 65 newton-meters of torque, giving it the grunt needed for serious long-distance touring and high-altitude rides. The smooth twin-cylinder setup ensures reduced vibrations, better cruising capabilities, and more confidence on highways and rough terrain alike. Chassis and suspension. The updated Himalayan 750 features a reinforced steel frame with a reworked subframe, designed to handle more weight and punishment. The long-travel USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension provide enhanced off-road performance, while maintaining on-road comfort. Ground clearance sits higher at around 230 millimeters, giving it solid trail capability. Technology and features. Royal Enfield has finally gone modern with this machine. The Himalayan 750 comes equipped with ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, switchable ABS, and a full TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. Navigation, calls, and music controls are now just a glance away. The addition of traction control and a slipper clutch further adds to its touring credibility. Design and ergonomics. Design-wise, it retains that rugged Himalayan DNA but with sharper lines, a taller windscreen, redesigned tank shrouds, and LED lighting all around. Ergonomics have been tweaked for longer saddle time, with a flatter seat, better cushioning, and more natural upright posture. It's built to carry both rider and luggage comfortably across continents. Pricing and final thoughts. Expected to launch with a starting price around $7,500, the Himalayan 750 targets riders looking for an affordable yet powerful ADV bike. Royal Enfield seems to have hit the right balance between performance, reliability, and affordability. Stay tuned to Bike Reviews Pro for our full test ride and comparison videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.